Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. The Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, is optimistic about the local economy despite various headwinds, including global bank jitters. Now, the committee's chairman gave the latest update at the EPOC's quarterly press briefing Friday morning. Global financial entities have all revised downward their global outlook, and while jitters persist, Chairman of the Economic Program Oversight Committee, Keith Duncan, says local indicators are expected to continue in the right direction, especially as commodity prices regulate.
We're hopeful that inflation can continue to recede or be reduced at a faster rate than even what the BOJ projected to get to by into the range of 4 to 6% by December 2023. If we can get there faster, that means the Bank of Jamaica could move faster and start in terms of loosening monetary policy, possibly looking to reduce interest rates.
He says the committee does not expect the concerns about the banking system in the United States following the failure of 2 U.S. banks to trickle into the local economy.
While we see failures in the U.S. Banking system and there's global challenges and stresses, Jamaica's financial system remains stable and strong despite the hikes in interest rates and tight monetary policy. Private credit continues to grow, so the banks continue to lend more, and therefore we are cautiously optimistic that despite global headwinds, that growth will continue to hit our medium-term targets.
Mr. Duncan also says he does not think correspondent banking will be largely affected.
2008-2009 was a severe fallout and a financial crisis, and we didn't have any major fallout, a minimum fallout in terms of correspondent banking relationships. So this year, while there will be some contagion for this crisis as we are seeing because of the tightened monetary policy, what has spilled over into Jamaica is a higher interest cost, and also that's where. But I don't see a contagion effect for Jamaica.
EPOC expects local fiscal stability to continue with growth in the country's buffers. Let's head to the foreign currency market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $151.75. $110.98 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. The British pound is being sold for the pound is going for $186.23, while the euro is going for $166.03. Meanwhile, the JSE index advanced by 1,262 points today, while the junior market index gained 35 points. Among the winners were Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS 7% shares, Siboney Group, Access Financial Services, Key Insurance Company, and Lasco Distributors. While on the losing side were Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances, Epley, Blue Power Group, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and Iron Rock Insurance. And that's it for the Financial Week. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.